Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the NarTick AI Smart Calendar. Let's open up the box and see how it works. Comes with a stand to place it on. USB-C cable to charge it. And then here is the device itself. And so yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. If you're someone who loves the clarity of paper calendars, but craves the power of voice assistance and smart scheduling, then you need to check out this device. The NarTick is a smart desktop calendar that combines an e-ink display with a built-in AI voice assistant powered by ChatGPT 5. Think of it as your personal time manager that is always visible and always listening. Whether you're a freelancer juggling deadlines, a parent managing school schedules, or part of a startup team coordinating tasks, the NarTick is designed to simplify your day. Let's talk features. First up, the e-ink display. It's eye-friendly, always on, and sips power so efficiently that you get up to 2 weeks of battery life. It also has no glare and no distractions, just your schedule front and center. It also features an AI voice assistant that is powered by ChatGPT 5, so you can add tasks, check your calendar, and even get time management suggestions just by using your natural voice. Hey Narty.
Hi.
What's my schedule for the week look like?
Here's your schedule for this week. Today, Wednesday, you need to book a flight. Tomorrow, Thursday, you have a doctor's appointment early in the morning at a.m. Then on Saturday, you have to edit a video. Make sure to prepare for these tasks accordingly.
Thank you. It also uses methods like Pomodoro and the Eisenhower matrix. All you need to do is just wake it up with one word or tap the button, and NarTick responds naturally, with customizable voice interactions that feel surprisingly human. How do you say refrigerator in Japanese?
The word refrigerator in Japanese is pronounced as rizko. If you need help remembering or want to practice more Japanese words, just let me know.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It also syncs seamlessly with Google, Apple, and Outlook calendars, so your events stay unified across all platforms. And if you're working with a team or managing a household, NarTick supports shared schedules and will link up multiple accounts, making collaboration more smooth and intuitive. Setting up the device is also plug and play. Once you link your calendar accounts, NarTick automatically syncs and displays your daily overview, so you can interact via voice or touch, and the AI helps prioritize tasks, sets timers, and suggests focus strategies. And the always-on display means you don't have to unlock a phone or open an app. It's just right there at a glance. For families and teams, launching globally on Indiegogo, NarTick offers early backers exclusive perks and discounts. So if you're looking to upgrade your time management game with a sleek, intelligent calendar, then now is the time to jump in. And so yeah, I definitely recommend checking out the NarTick Smart AI Calendar. And you can also take a look in the link below. See you.